Good?
How you been?
Good. Oh, it's like a studio. Oh, you gotta sing this?
This is an undisclosed studio in South Florida with my boy Ricky and Mark the Barber. We're discussing a big project we've been working on, so half this trip was business. The other half is connecting with my fam in West Palm Beach, vibing and some solid soul food. But let's start at the top. I flew red-eye and landed October 14. Crazy shout out to Big Al for the Airbnb link. Later that night, we got active. No Shade Fest was a big reason for me flying out. And as per usual, the vibe was so beautiful. With flavors, it's always a diverse mix and I appreciate that. Shout out Blue and the squad and Denley for holding us down. Zipitillos in the morning was part of the plan with Ricky and Neria. I was craving chilaquiles and they made a monster plate. Super fire. Worked during the day, climatics at night. West Palm Beach is like LA or San Diego to me and I feel like it's another home. It was the homies night, so we chopped it up for a little bit. 3 quick shots for a nightcap. To be honest, I was shocked by the movement. Downtown Palm Beach definitely gets popping. From the DJ booth, you were able to take a better idea of the vibe. Next day, we linked up with Mark the Barber. This project has been a long time coming and we all have our part via Mark's vision. Mark is a celebrity barber for Fat Joe, Fabulous, Diddy, French Montana, DJ Khaled, and of course, OVO's finest. We discussed concepts, products, and drops, but you'll hear more about this project in the future. Love you, Florida.